Welcome to Music Basics Series, Staff and Pitch Names. Music is written on the staff. The staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. The staff requires a clef to define the letter names of the lines and spaces. For this example, we are using the treble clef because it is the most common. Also called the G clef because it started off as a letter G. The curlicue goes around the G line. The lines are named E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine. Spaces named F, A, C, E spells the word face. So on the treble clef, we have a couple outliers. This one is D, hangs out right below the clef, and then middle C hangs out even lower with its own little line through it. Can't miss it. Next time, we'll look at rhythm. If you have gained anything or enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a subscription. Thank you. Bye.